My name is Dr. Mughmaw, or you can call me any name you want, Ryan, Mamaw, Mughmaw, Meemaw, anything. It's spelled very interestingly, so I always get anything and everything. I'm originally from Marion, Indiana, so about 2 hours north of here, home of James Dean and Garfield the cat. Went to undergrad at Butler up in Indy, and then went to med school at IU. Did residency down at University of Louisville, so I've been kind of surrounding my way around to get to see more. So I think Schneck offers an interesting opportunity for me as an internal medicine and pediatric physician. I get to do both things that I love, both inpatient, so if you ever get admitted to the hospital, I can see you, and then both as an outpatient doctor, so I can see both, you're going for your annual physical and things like that. So it's a nice kind of combination that I can do here at Schneck. In clinic, I'll be in both the pediatric and internal medicine office. I will be seeing pediatrics, I think, on Monday, just straight peds on kids on Monday, and then all the other days I'll be seeing adults and kids, so looking forward to it. So I think patients would say about me that I'm a fun, outgoing, laid-back type of person, that you can talk to me about anything and everything, whether it be sports, music, your job. I'm more than open to hearing anything and everything that you want to talk about, and just to make sure that you feel comfortable with where we're going with your healthcare needs. My mom was a special needs teacher, my dad was a biology teacher, and so the love of science and the love of people in general kind of went through me, and so it's kind of how I ended up being a physician, and it's something where I can use all my talents too. Yeah, I think the most rewarding part of my job is figuring out that diagnosis that may have been missed, or making somebody feel better when they're feeling their worst, and ultimately just sharing that moment together of how we can kind of go forward in life and get you to where you want to be. So I think the one thing that I really offer patients is that you can see me from, there's always been a joke in the internal medicine pediatric world, it's called womb to tomb. So you can see me from when you're born to when you ultimately pass. So I can see all age groups at all times, and that'd be in the hospital or even in the clinic. And so you're going to get a lot of continuity of care through that way, and see, I'll know when you're in the hospital, I'll know you when you're out of the hospital. So I think that's one of the things that I'll enjoy about this. So outside of work, I have a beautiful wife, Taylor, and my little 7-month-old Emma. They are fun to play with, and they're the joy of my life. When I'm not doing that, I like to cook. I have a new smoker I've been a lot of experiments on, and I'm game for anything and everything, so sports, music, whatever.